Hey guys, I'm gonna do a review and setup on the Tritton's Detonators headset. It's right here. It's a nice headset. The ear cups, they bend like this. That way when you're not gaming or you can just put it on your neck and your head right here, voila. But they're pretty comfortable. They're not heavy. The ear cushions, they're like sort of leather, or not leather, but pleather. They're pretty soft. And the inside right here is 50mm speakers. And it comes with a cable. It's like a 3-foot, or yeah, maybe 3-foot cable. And it has a little thing right here to, I guess, clip it on your shirt. Comes with just like, if you want to listen to music, you can plug this into your MP3 player, because it's already come like that. I don't know if you can see all the cable. It looks long, but it's probably, yeah, I would say like 3 foot. Enough for like to put the MP3 player in your pocket and you can listen to it. And I already said that they're comfortable. I like these because they're sort of round. And my ears fit perfect here because I guess I have sensitive ears, and after a while they get irritating, like they've been folded or anything. But these ones are pretty good. And the sound quality, it's good. Like, I don't have, for being $70 or $80, I don't know how much they are in the stores now. It's a decent price, and this is the Tritton logo. The Xbox logo. I guess they don't make these for the PS3, just for the Xbox. And the sound sounds pretty good. Like, I like it a lot. Doesn't sound crappy. When you use an MP3 player, the music sounds decent. It's not crappy like those $20 headphones or whatever. And the way you set it up, here's the cable, your inline box thing, and you just plug in the headset right here. I don't know if you can see it. Can you see it? Has 3 buttons on top. This is for the mute button for the Xbox sound. This is for the mic mute. And this, it says right here SVM, I guess, system volume monitoring. I guess when you do this, you can hear yourself talk. When you speak through yourself through the mic, you can hear yourself talk. So hold on, let me put in the the microphone. Check it out. It's removable, detachable. So if you just want to listen to music, you can take this off. The way you put this on, do you see this cable right here? You're going to face it out like this. And then push it in, and then voila. Guess what? Now it's a headset. Yay! Not MP3, but headset. Yay! Oh, but I wanted MP3. So what you do is just flip it to the right, like that. And then just try to pull it out. It's not flimsy. It's like it stays there like really hard. You have to put some pressure and pull on it. And this one's, they swivel. Okay, so back to the thing, how to put it up on your Xbox controller. Here's the plug for the controller in your Xbox. And here's the other 3.5mm jack. It goes right here in the bottom. I don't know if you can see it, but voila. Let me plug this in so you can see these buttons light up. So let me see if I can plug them in for you. Let's see if they turn on. Yeah, they do turn on. Here's the headset. I don't know if you can see it. On, off, on. The mic. It has a little mic and with a cross, and then when you can hear yourself talk. And then on the side, there's a volume control for the Xbox 360 sound, and there's a volume control for the Shad, and that's it. And then the back's just made by Mad Cats. Tritton even has a picture right here of the headset where it goes, and another picture for the controller. So if you have any problems, just turn in the back and you can see them. And the cable that comes with it, for the inline cable, is 14 feet long. So here you go, long ass cable. And also, like, here it comes with, at the end of this cable, has 3 cords coming out. Oops, sorry. Let me make it nice again. Yeah. Let's flip them around. I like the orange part. This is for the power. You can plug this in your Xbox USB outlet. One of those, plug it in. And it has red and white RCA cables. You can plug these in the back of your TV. And then the Xbox should, well, if you have an Xbox, well, yeah, it's for the Xbox. The Xbox should have like the analogs outputs. And if you don't have that, you can probably plug these directly into the, if you have the old Xbox 360, you can plug this in the back, and then voila, you get audio. That's how I usually set them up sometimes. Or, and also, like, a good thing I'm gonna talk about now with the DSS, it sounds really good. Like, the volume gets louder. This is an audio boost. So when you use this, even like once I had it all the way up, I don't recommend this, but once I just had it all the way up, and these were like vibrating, I was like, whoa, that's too loud, so I turned it down. So make sure before you put it on, the volume is all the way down on your headset. That way you don't pop your ears. With this, the way I set it up, usually it's just for analog, but you know me. Well, you don't know me, but what I did, I grabbed one of these RCA cables. Then on the other side of this RCA cable, it's a 3.5 millimeter RCA cable to 3.5 millimeter, and I plugged it like a regular setup of this. If you have one of the DSS, you probably know how to set it up, but this is the way I set it up. I put this here, and then I use my fiber optic cable in the back here, and the DSS comes with a power thing. So the way you power it, you use the micro USB, and then usually I don't like to. What I do, I use this and plug it in the wall, so it powers it up. And for the headset, you can plug it in on your Xbox. Usually, if you try to plug it in here, I don't like to use this unless it's like a regular Xbox. Yeah, well, I don't like. I plug it in the Xbox. That way, I don't drain the power out of this, and there's no power outage, or not power outage, but you can listen to the sound better. There's no static. And that's the way I set it up. And the cable's 14 feet. These light up. The sound is good. The sound sounds better with this. And I like this because it comes with different presets. It has 8 different presets. This is for Dolby Digital. This is for surround sound or stereo. And the power off and on button. This one, if you click it down, it mutes the whole thing. If you have like another headset, like another Turtle Beach, and it has a 3.5 millimeter that has one of these, and it has power, I guess you can plug them in. But like I said, for me it's better if I just plug this thing on the wall, and then the headset on the Xbox 360. That way you don't take power out of this. Because sometimes these things have a power boost. Not this one, but other headsets, they have a power boost, and this has power boost. Those two they interfere and then makes it sound staticky. So that's why I don't. That is all. I don't know what else to talk about, but headset, black, bands, right, left, soft, comfortable. Oh yeah. Well, thank you. Oh, and see my other videos, please. Sorry for the mess.